Hey everyone, David DeHaas, Living Waters. Today I'm visiting you from right down in the waters on a Colonics therapy bed. And probably wondering, why am I in this room today? Today I want to talk about the one thing I've found over the years that we have been helping people to heal as paramount to healing and well-being. And that is changing the chemistry immediately in your cells. And the one thing that you can do to change that is simply your thoughts. Thoughts are very powerful. Thoughts create words. Words create actions. Actions create habits. Habits create your character. All right, so the 50 trillion cells you have in your body takes on the energy of whatever you're feeling. A great example of this, maybe you've been in a place where everyone's been very, very happy, and you're feeling happy too, to the depth of your soul. Maybe you've been in a situation where everyone's angry, upset, and it's just not felt good, right? It has not resonated with the energy within you. You pick up on that. So whenever you're thinking a thought that is not serving your high well-being, for example, it's not unusual for people to start thinking about things in the past, and the problem with that, and things they wish they would have changed, or why did that person do that to me? Now they're in the victim mode, as I call it, or what's going to happen if I do this? What's going to happen in my work or my job if I do this? Am I going to get the promotion? Is my spouse going to do X? Is, wow, what happens with this? So you get these thoughts going, right? And none of it's in reality except for in your mind and in your cells. And the problem is your cells picks up on the energy. So a great example of way to change this. Maybe you're thinking about an argument you had, or maybe an argument you may have with someone, and you're really upset about it. That's what creates dis-ease in the body. Anger. We've seen bile duct cancer. We've seen liver cancer. I've had it. And when the first question that my coach that I hired asked me is, well, why did you create this, David? And my thought at the time was, what do you mean? Why did I create this? You know, initially it's like, oh my God, it's cancer. It's bad. Yeah, it's bad. But why did you create that? So what we know to be true over the years, and the great masters have also printed this in many, many books that are out there, is that your thoughts create your internal being. So you got to change it. So there's 3 words you need to write down. And you need to say every time a negative thought or a thought that's not serving your well-being is serving you. And those 3 words are cancel, 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 change it. So you just say when the thought comes up, cancel, cancel, cancel. I'm going to change it. What are you going to change it to? If it's in the moment, I can't think of how I want to change it. I use the most powerful word that Jesus taught, and that was love. So I just go love, 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 love. I just cancel it, and I'm going to change that event, that feeling all the way through my body in that moment right then. So I'm feeling a different energy all the way down to the core of my body, all the way through my cells, all the way down the tips of my toe to the top of my head. That's very, very, very important. You cannot negatively muscle test when you do this. When you do this, I have every client I come in here, I do this. I show them my special little thing. When you come into the clinics, I'll show you. But you cannot pull these fingers apart when you're thinking a positive thought. And love is the most possible positive thought you could put in your body. When you're thinking, I hope, I wish, I want, I'm going to try, I wish this disease was gone, I hope I get better, I want to get better, I want to cure this disease, you're going to get more of the wanting, more of the hoping, more of the wishing. You're not going to get what you want to get. You want to get to pure perfection within all your cells so that you're healed and you can live life as it's meant to be. For those of you who are religious, this goes to the very core of what you've been learning, but you're probably not applying it. Because I see 95% of the people that are Christian aren't applying it. They get upset about another religion. They get upset about another person not doing things the right way. Look, it all comes back to us. If you want to heal your body, you got to change the thoughts so that you change the chemistry. And you change the chemistry just like that. And on the 10-day wellness retreat that we do here at Living Waters in Boise, Idaho, we give you multiple modalities, multiple ways to apply this on a daily basis. And when people embrace this, not only do they change quickly and easily, but their whole skin radiates. And the reason why I'm in the colon therapy bed was one of the coolest things I've found, a tool, as people are cleansing and detoxification, the old emotional baggage goes out with the old fecal matter. This is just not a pooping machine, guys. This is an emotional releasing, a toxic releasing machine. And the beauty of this is when you're letting go of all those chemicals, old pesticides. You're getting rid of the parasites, which are beings that are there because of your negative thoughts and your thinking. All you got to do is be the change. Hey, if you like what we've been sharing to you this week or over the last month, please give us a like, make a comment, ask a question down below. If you want to learn more, watch my 4 Natural Laws of Healing webinar. I'll put a link to it in this post as soon as I'm done. But do share it. If you got a friend that's got negative stinking thinking, as they call it, share it with them. Hey, we're Living Waters, and we do a 10-day cleanse. And as we say, where healing begins. What's our? I can't even think of it. Anyway, healing begins by healing from within, and we got to start within, guys. And so, changing the thoughts, perfect place to start. You make it a blessed day. I'm David DeHaas, Living Water.